If you've ever wanted to make your WordPress website look more professional and engaging, adding a photo gallery is one of the best ways to do it. And the best part? You can create one in just a few minutes. No coding, no complicated setup. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, click the login button at the top right corner. To make things quick, select Continue with Google. This automatically connects your account without the hassle of remembering extra passwords. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Edit Site option. Click that and it'll take you straight into your website's editing mode. Now, in the top left corner, click the small plus icon to add new elements to your page. In the search bar that appears, type Gallery. From the list of options, click on the Gallery block to start building your photo section. Next, you'll see an option to upload images or choose from your media library. Select the photos you want to feature. Maybe your best project shots, travel photos, or product images, and click Create a New Gallery. WordPress will automatically arrange your pictures into a clean, grid-style layout. You can easily rearrange the photos, add captions, or adjust how many columns appear on each row. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Insert Gallery and it'll instantly appear on your page. And that's it. You've just built a fully functional, beautiful photo gallery on WordPress in only a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more quick WordPress guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy website building.